The Yellamma temple in Savadatti Taluk of Belgavi district has witnessed record-breaking offerings from devotees over the past 89 days. A total of 3.68 crore rupees has been collected, including 3.40 crore rupees in cash, gold ornaments worth 20.82 lakh rupees and silver ornaments worth 6.39 lakh rupees. The surge in offerings coincided with the grand fairs held during Banada Hunnime and Bharat Hunnime, drawing thousands of devotees to the revered shrine. The temple premises saw an overwhelming influx of worshippers, contributing significantly to the collection. The large-scale donations reflect the deep faith and devotion associated with Yellamma Helgudda, making it a significant spiritual and cultural hub in the region.